This is the Sanshu Orchard's Reptile and Amphibians 101 class in Dali at the Answers Center. In this session, kids met many new animals and learned to see them in a new light. The day began with labs examining what makes amphibian skin unique and how amphibians and reptiles' breathing systems are designed and differ from our own. Next, we worked together to create a miniature habitat to host some animals in our amphibian and reptile collection. As they worked as a team, cohabitation and habitat essentials were discussed. In the next lab, weights were taken and applied to bite force, in this case, focused on crocodilian PSI. Kids tested the force needed to crush apples, coconuts, and of course, the favorite watermelon. As the caiman watched, kids in the next lab learned about crocodilian tear ducts and learned where the expression crocodile tears comes from. Ending with a calm story time, this was a wonderful day finding answers in nature.